Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on app notification in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to on this app notification, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on app notification. So friends, now let's see how to on apps notification. So when click on your phone setting to on your app notification, then guys you can on your app notification. Then guys click on this notifications, tap here app setting, guys tap here and guys click on all apps. So you can see guys your all apps A to Z, guys you can see. So which app notification guys you want to on, guys you can on from here, like Instagram notification, guys Play Store notification, Google, Gmail, Gboard, and guys Facebook notification, guys you want to on, guys Chrome, camera, like browser notification. So you can on your app notification from here in your Vivo phone device. So I hope friends you have understood how to on app notification in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.